Welcome to Lana English Channel.
Good morning, Ava. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing great, thank you. And you?
I'm good too, thanks. What are you up to today?
Not much. I just finished breakfast. You?
I just came back from a short walk. It's sunny today.
That's nice. Where do you live again?
I live in Rio de Janeiro. What about you?
I live in Toronto, Canada.
Oh, cool. I've always wanted to visit Canada.
And I'd love to visit Brazil someday. It looks beautiful.
How old are you, Ava?
I'm 23. You?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a software developer. What about you?
I'm a university student. I study biology.
Do you like it?
Yes, I really enjoy learning about animals and plants.
That sounds interesting.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother. How about you?
I have one older sister.
Do you have any pets?
I have a dog. Her name is Bella. You?
No, I don't have any pets, but I like animals.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing guitar and watching sports. You?
I like painting and reading books.
That's creative. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly novels and short stories. Do you read?
Sometimes. I like science books.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to pop and rock. What about you?
I enjoy pop music and a bit of jazz.
Can you play any instruments?
I can play a little bit of piano.
That's nice.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What's yours?
I like ramen and sushi.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
Me too. I like cooking pasta and rice dishes.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love it. I've been to Argentina and Chile. You?
I visited the US and Mexico.
What's your dream country to visit?
I'd love to go to Japan. You?
Maybe Italy. I want to try real Italian food.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Portuguese and a little Spanish.
I speak English and a little French.
What is your favorite season?
I like autumn. What about you?
I prefer summer.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play basketball. You?
I like swimming and yoga.
What's your favorite movie?
I like finding Nemo. It's fun. You?
I really enjoy the Avengers.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I play sometimes. You?
I play puzzle games on my phone.
What's your favorite drink?
I like tea. You?
I prefer juice or cold coffee.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl. You?
I like to wake up early.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I meet friends or go for a walk. You?
I relax, listen to music, or go out with family.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes I shop online.
I like shopping for books and clothes.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries. You?
I like bananas and oranges.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, the beach is my favorite place.
Me too. I like walking on the sand.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I always take pictures when I travel.
Same here. I like photography.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a game designer. You?
I want to be a researcher in biology.
What kind of biology do you want to study?
I want to study animals, especially in the ocean.
Have you done any research yet?
Yes, I helped study frogs last summer.
Do you work in a lab?
Sometimes, we test samples and look at them under microscopes.
Where do you want to work in the future?
At a research center or in nature?
Will you do a master's degree?
Yes, I plan to start next year.
That's great. You'll do well.
Thanks, Leo.
It was nice talking to you, Ava.
It was great talking to you too, Leo.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Me too. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.